Have a collection of videos or songs you want to play in a specific order. VLC lets you build playlists so you can organize your media and play everything continuously. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a playlist, add files, rearrange them, save it, and play it whenever you want. Yeah, let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player. To view the playlist, open the View menu and select Playlist. You can also use the playlist shortcut available in your VLC version. This gives you a workspace where you can manage the media you want to play. Next, add the files you want. You can use media, then open multiple files, or simply drag videos and audio files into the playlist area. Add as many compatible files as you need, and VLC will place them into the current playlist. Once your files are added, you can organize the order. Select a media item and move it to the position you want. Put your favorite track first, arrange videos by topic, or simply create the playback order that works for you. It's completely up to you. To start the playlist, double-click the first item, or select it and press play. VLC will continue through the list based on your playback settings. You can also use the next and previous controls to move between items. If you don't want to play everything in order, VLC also gives you shuffle and repeat controls. Shuffle changes the playback order, while repeat can replay the current item or continue repeating the playlist. So choose the mode that matches what you're listening to. Want to use the same playlist later? Open the Media menu and choose Save Playlist to File. Select a location, give the playlist a name, and choose a supported playlist format such as M3U or XSPF, then save the file to your computer. Later, you can open that saved playlist in VLC and continue using your media collection. Just load the playlist file, and VLC will restore the items included in it, as long as the media files are still available at their saved locations. And that's how you create playlists in VLC. Add your files, arrange them, choose shuffle or repeat if needed, and save the playlist for later. Yeah, once you have a few playlists set up, VLC becomes much easier to use for everyday media.